So we made friends with Tulsa today. I made it to Costco all by myself. I took the back roads that are 40 miles an hour, and they were country roads, so I felt totally comfortable driving on them. Not scary at all. So we're gonna show you what we loved in Costco from last time, what we would buy again. Okay, the first thing I really believe in is having snacks in your car that are actually okay for your family to eat. So the first thing we got last time was these little smoked things. Let's see if I can find the ingredients. Here are the bars we love. We do really well with Kind bars because they're either nut or they are fruit, but they don't have grain, they don't have oatmeal or anything. And the ones that we really loved,
Mom, let's try these ones.
These were the ones that we loved. And they are just under $1 a piece, which if you get them in a regular grocery store.
Chia seeds, they only have, the only kind of thing they have.
Yay, and those ones, the Kind fruit and chia seed bars, they are only $10 a piece for 18 bars. Was there another one? And then there are other Kind bars, it looks like they had oatmeal, so we can't have those, but that's really exciting. They also have a Caveman Bar, which kind of looks like this one has cashews, sunflower seeds, tapioca syrup, almond, coconut. So the problem there for me is that I can't have sunflower seeds. So these ones are actually a little bit cheaper than the Kind bars. So those might be the ones that I handed John for, and the girls, because they can have sunflower seeds. And I do like to mix it up. I strongly believe that if you have problems with allergies, you should get as much variety as you can in your diet and not stick to the same thing.
There's a sample over there.
Oh, those are even cheaper. Okay, and here is the COSTCO brand of a Kind bar, and these are 50 cents a piece. That is crazy. These also have like rice syrup in them, so I'm not as, they add the sugar and those other things in as fillers, which you really don't want fillers in your bars because it just means it's going to have a lot more sugar in it. So I'm actually not going to get those. They're half the price, but I don't think it's worth it. Okay, so these ones, the trail mix, they do have a little more sugar in them, but it is nice to have them. Just as a little bit of variety. Yeah, they have a little sugar. These are about the only fruit snacks I like the girls to have. They're just dehydrated fruit puree. And they're $12, so they're about 35 cents a piece. If I made it myself, it would definitely be cheaper, but I don't have my dehydrator here. These are my buggy ponies.
Hi.
They push my buggy.
Why don't we go try one of the samples?
You can go try one of the samples. That is the thing that I love about the Costco, is that they have so many samples. You can figure out what you want. Thank you. It is a large store, and if you don't get enough to eat, you do get worn out. These ones were okay, but I felt like they had quite a bit of sugar in them. Where's the other ones that we really liked? These ones were our favorites. They were so good. I think if you did them like in a milkshake, like as a biscotti or something.
Yeah, so off the high.
Today we are trying out the chicken. We didn't get any meat from here besides, I think we got some hamburger patties last time, and we really liked what we got from them. So these I really like because they are individually packaged. You can separate out the individual pieces, so you can use them. Each one of these little packages, see that? Each one of these, it tears off and you can use it as an individual meal. So I like that because sometimes if you take a really big package and you forget to put it in Ziplocs and put it in the freezer, it's hard to remember, and then you have this huge container of chicken and you didn't separate it. So I think that is brilliant for those of us who forget that we have Ziplocs, or if we don't have Ziplocs and we need to separate it out because we don't use a whole chicken in a meal. Okay, so I couldn't quite talk myself into getting beef. We have an amazing butcher on the corner of our street, and the beef here was the same price as what I could buy it there from these people we really like. And we also bought pork from them very inexpensively, so the only thing I got here was chicken. So there's our haul. We tried some different things that we hadn't tried before, and I felt more comfortable. It wasn't as late at night, so I didn't feel so tired. And I don't know how much it's going to be. I don't know. I have no idea. We didn't buy a lot of cheese this time. We didn't buy any oil. We're pretty much just filling in what we just used up. I am a little nervous to see what this is going to be.
And I got 2 tiny forks.
You got 2 tiny forks?
Yeah.
And really, that is what food stores should be. It should just be filling in the same corners. You have stuff on the back shelf that you use all the time, but that you have these things that you go once a week and you're just refilling them and you're going to rotate them. So the one thing that I haven't really made friends with on the Tulsa topic is the freeways. And then I have to really remember not to close my eyes. And I don't mind the back roads, I don't mind the country roads, but whoa, do I find this stressful.
You are seriously like blurred out.
So people really hate it when I eat on camera. But if I eat every 2 hours, I do pretty good. We got these kind bars from COSTCO. And also some non-saturated, non-nitrogen saturated, nitrate saturated beef sticks from COSTCO. And by having them in the car, it means that if we're out in town and we need to eat, we're not spending $30 to go take people out to eat crap food. And so you have snacks in the car, which I think is a really time-saving, money-saving, sanity-saving.
And really tasty.
And they're really tasty. So we did get those. I think they came to like 85 cents a piece at Costco. Generally, they're over $2. So that I feel was worth it at Costco. So here we are at the YMCA. They have a family pass that we're excited about. On the farm, we do a lot of running, a lot of exercising, hauling food to animals every day. But we're not doing that now. We're kind of turning into mushrooms. And so a family pass means we can come in and go swimming. The girls can come into the classes with me, and I'm really excited. It's a very reasonable price for the whole family to come. It's only $10 a month more to have the whole family come than it was for just one person. And Dad's excited about the hot tub.
I'm excited about the swimming. I'm excited about both.
My mom went and got 2 swimsuits.
I think 3.
Dad's excited.